Alright guys, so I might have just found one of the biggest secrets. So, I'm going to tell you guys about the update real quick, and then we'll just go from there. So, here you can notice some new cords. They just end right behind that curtain. Then here, they added this on everything. So if you just run into it, you won't buy it. You have to drop there. They have some arms. These ones, they think they're worse too. But these ice ones, these are more expensive. And these are cheap. Cheaper, not cheap. And then, this has been in the game for a little bit. Did I just, what? Hold. Whatever. But you can just, this is not the whole part of the video. I'm just gonna show you guys what's in here. It's nothing. I gotcha. But, without further ado, let's get into it. But I have one more thing I want to show y'all. If I were to come up here, you can now see some new stuff. That was not there before. And if you come here, there's an it's SO3, my bad guys. But if we get some equipment and we come here, this is pretty simple. I'm just going to show you guys how to get on top of the thing. When you're done, come here. Alright, now follow the steps precisely. Just barely easy though. Now you see it? Come here. Now you're up. But you did hit the barrier, as you can see. But there's an easy way to get out. If you just come here, jump off, and then you can go back down. Pretty simple, pretty easy. But let's get into the secret. As you can see, I'm on adventure mode right now. But if I click it one more time, it'll take me somewhere. So I'm gonna private code my fan code, Seabone. I'm just gonna click adventure. And it takes me to this weird place. And it's really weird because I clicked adventure and it put me in the broke mode. But if I come here, I can buy stuff. I don't know what happened to it though, because it's all made out of ice. I don't know if this is just in the broke mode or if it's a secret thing that you have to do. But my theory is that they're gonna add like an ice map for like maybe Christmas. I know it's kind of early, but maybe they'll add like ice blocks or something. There's a slide here. You can just, I kind of like the ice. So if that's going to be in the game, I will be perfectly fine with that. Or, guys, they might add something like Gorilla Tag. Like how, you know how they have share my blocks and stuff? Maybe they'll add a new mode with like animal blocks, whatever they want to name it. But we're going to test something. We're going to go back to adventure because I'm not in on any of the modes. We're going to go back to adventure. Okay. Once we're back, we're gonna go to the broke mode. See, so guys, what is that? Whatever, I swear I just heard something. But that is a secret. You have to click adventure. And then click adventure. Once you click adventure twice, it will teleport you. Did they just like patch it or something?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Sorry about that one, guys. But if you click adventure, it'll teleport you to this. So, that's what the secret is. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to be posting daily content. I will try my best to post some daily content. So, but guys, I'm going to be doing a thing called Fan Game Friday. So every Friday, I'll be playing a different game. Like, maybe it's gonna be a different game, but I know it's called Fan Game Friday. I'll be playing some fan games of Gorilla Tag. I have a couple in my thing ready. But guys, that's gonna be it for today, and peace!